Whether you're a die-hard vinyl enthusiast or just getting into the world of records, finding the right turntable can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best turntables of 2025. From sleek modern models to audiophile-grade classics, there's something here for every budget and style. Stick around to see which one hits the sweet spot for sound, style, and value. And if you're ready to upgrade your setup, all the product links are conveniently listed in the description below. Let's get into it. Top 5 Best Turntables 2025. 5.1x1 turntable with built-in speakers. Experience the perfect blend of style and performance with this exquisite turntable, crafted from premium wood and metal materials that offer a distinctive layered look. Its streamlined corner design adds a bold, modern flair, while user-friendly operation, just long hold the start button to power on, makes it as intuitive as it is stylish. Equipped with dual-speed capability, 33 and 45 RPM, built-in Bluetooth streaming, and aux-in support, this all-in-one system seamlessly plays music from virtually any device. The magnet-type cartridge and adjustable counterweight deliver warm, balanced audio with minimal distortion, key for true vinyl enthusiasts. Topped off with an Audio-Technica diamond stylus, it ensures every note is tracked with clarity and precision, unlocking the full depth of your favorite records. 4. Sony PSLX310BT. Enjoy your favorite vinyl records with ease using this user-friendly turntable. It features simple one-step auto start, stop, and return functions, powered by a corded electric source for reliable performance. Whether you're spinning records at 33 1/3 or 45 RPM, the included 45 RPM adapter tucks neatly under the deck for convenience. Experience clear, high-fidelity sound thanks to the aluminum die-cast platter that reduces vibration and the newly designed straight tone arm for improved tracking. You can digitize your vinyl collection with built-in USB ripping and take your music on the go as MP3 files. Plus, the turntable offers flexible listening options, including wireless Bluetooth connectivity to speakers or headphones and wired RCA connections for traditional stereo systems. With adjustable gain settings, a built-in phono preamp, and essential accessories included in the box, it's ready to deliver an exceptional audio experience right out of the package. 3. Audio-Technica ATLP120XUSBBK. Experience the rich, high-fidelity sound of vinyl with a premium turntable designed for true audiophiles. Featuring a direct drive DC servo motor with selectable 33, 45, and 78 RPM speeds, this turntable delivers smooth and consistent playback for your entire vinyl collection. Its damped bass construction minimizes low-frequency feedback coloration, ensuring your music stays pure and uncolored. Fully manual operation allows for precision control with features like adjustable dynamic anti-skate, variable pitch with quartz speed lock, and a balanced S-shaped tone arm equipped with a hydraulically damped lift and secure rest. Seamlessly bridge the gap between analog and digital by converting your vinyl to digital audio files using free Audacity software or any compatible program. Complete with a USB cable, RCA cables, AC adapter, 45 RPM adapter, counterweight, felt mat, and removable dust cover, this turntable is both a powerful performance tool and a nostalgic centerpiece. Seasonlife HQ-KZ001. Experience the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality with this all-in-one turntable. Built with premium wood for an elegant, retro-inspired look, it enhances any room's decor while delivering powerful audio through 4 integrated stereo speakers. 2 for high frequencies and 2 for low, for an immersive, high-fidelity sound experience. Whether you're spinning records at 33 or 45 RPM, streaming wirelessly, or connecting via aux or RCA, this turntable offers versatile playback options to suit your lifestyle. The precision-engineered aluminum platter, adjustable counterweight, and AT3600 stylus with an S-shaped tone arm ensure accurate tracking and rich, detailed sound. Simple to operate, even for beginners, this turntable combines a player, preamp, and speakers into one stylish unit, making it a thoughtful gift for music lovers of all ages. Cotsoco Vintage Vinyl Record Players. This all-in-one Bluetooth vinyl record player blends modern convenience with classic charm, making it the ideal centerpiece for any music lover's setup. It features Bluetooth input, aux and RCA connectivity, and a headphone jack, giving you flexible options to enjoy your music. Built-in dual stereo speakers deliver rich sound whether you're streaming wirelessly or spinning your favorite vinyl. The belt-driven anti-vibration system ensures smooth playback with minimal interference, while the removable dust cover keeps your records clean and protected. With a stylish retro design and a 3-speed turntable supporting 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12 records, this player is as functional as it is fashionable, perfect for relaxing solo sessions, family gatherings, or as a thoughtful gift. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best turntables for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned vinyl collector or just getting started, there's something here for everyone to elevate your listening experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest gear reviews. All the turntables featured in this video are linked in the description below, so check them out if you're ready to spin some records in style. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.